Hey, hello everyone. So the rain has finally stopped and we got a bit of sunshine back, so I've wanted to come out in the garden and do a little workout in the garden. So I had this idea of wearing a weight vest and flipping a tyre and doing pulling a tyre back and hitting it with a sledgehammer. And just before doing this, I just wrote into YouTube weight vest tyre flip, and I clicked on the first video that came up, and it was some fella. It's like quite an old video, but it's just some fella in a field and doing precisely that, really, wearing a weight vest, flipping a tyre, pulling some weights across the floor, and then hitting it with a sledgehammer. It's only a short video with like a handful of views and only one comment, and the one comment was quite snarky, really, I suppose. It was like, maybe you should mix this in with doing some actual work, like housework or something like that. And in my experience, I'm always doing housework. I'm always doing work. My wife and I probably get, well, if we're lucky, we might get an hour together in the evening. But from the moment we're up, we're doing stuff, and nothing stays good. Everything needs maintenance, as well as our normal jobs, just the housework and the garden work and having kids. But since I've been doing these workouts, I get more stuff done. Like, I've got more energy, I'm more disciplined, I'm stronger, I'm fitter, I've got more endurance, I can handle more, so yeah, I mean, say what you want. People have always got excuses as to like why they don't work out, but I find it's beneficial, not only for me but for everybody. And I don't really socialise that much. I don't go down the pub, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do drugs. I've done all that stuff, and now this is like a new journey, doing workouts every day. Well, yeah, some days are harder than others. Some days there really ain't any time. You can maybe fit in 100 burpees and a few squats or something. But my point is, I feel doing these workouts is actually making me more productive. So yeah, this morning I've already done a few hours whippersnip in the garden, doing household chores, and now I've got a little bit of time to just do a quick workout. So anyway, enough chatting there. I just didn't like that comment. It made me think the person who wrote that just doesn't work out, and they're just complaining that they're too busy. But anyway, yeah. So I'm going to wear my weight vest, 20 kilogram weight vest. I'm going to flip the tyre up to this pull-up bar, do a couple of pull-ups, drag the tyre back, and smash it with a sledgehammer a few times, and I think that'll be it. I've just tried it once, and yeah, it's pretty damn tiring. So alright, maybe my boy will join me, maybe my baby will wake up and I have to shout out to my wife, so sorry if it's a little bit interrupted, but yeah, I'll try my best. Alright. 2. 2 hands. Up. 3. 1 more flip. Up. 4.
Oh, we can push it. They like that.
Yeah. You push, I pull. Ready, go. Good job. Go. Ah. Ready? Ready? Lift. Ready? Lift.
You come to it for where? Again.
Last one. Jump. Couple pull-ups.
Come on, you can do it. When I
Right, you're gonna push.
Oh.
Ready? Go. Sick. Push in. Ah. Ah. Good job. Alright. Ready?
You don't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo. Sick. Ready to flip again? Ready, go. Push. 1. Ready? Lift. And push. 2. Ready? Lift. Push. 3. And lift. Ah. And push. 4. Alright. Couple of pull-ups. Oh. Can I do it, Dilla? Give me some encouragement, mate. So come on, Dad.
Come on, Dad.
Oh. Alright, let's do it. Ready, go. Oh, slippery mud. Ah. Alright. I've got no room to stand there to flip it. Alright, counter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo! Ah. Round 7. Ready? Push. Going lift. Push. Ready? Lift. Push. Ready? Lift. It's too easy. Yeah, is your eye alright? Oh, I'll let you roll it in a minute. Alright. Drag it again? You can roll it when we're done, mate. We've got a few more rounds and we're done. You can roll it as much as you like. 10 again. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ah, next time we'll count backwards. Ready? Go.
Or should I be inside the tire?
What, while we're flipping it? Ah! Ah.
Are you done now?
No, 2 more times I think.
Oh, fine. Oh, it's this much.
Yeah, I know. You want to push or shall I just do it? Ready? Can we do 2 more?
No, Dad.
That's it, 2 more and we're done. Ah. Right, we're going to count backwards. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
This is only 2 more, it's nothing. Yeah. Now I've got to keep going. I've got to finish what I started.
Let go. I need to let go.
Right.
No, let go. When I want to fall. I think I want to go.
Yeah, can you tell Mum that Goldie's awake? She's at the front, did I? Near the water tank.
I'm coming to you, Mama. I'm coming to you. Yeah.
You rinse my hands with a rubber. Oh, thank you. Hello. Barbie. Can I wash my hands, please? That's it. Oh, perfectly.
Right, I'm going to wrap that up there. So it's only short. Was that 15 minutes maybe? Definitely wasn't the hardest workout I've ever done, but it's definitely given me a little boost of energy without coffee. But yeah, got to wrap it up there. Got a fair bit going on. So anyway, hope you liked that one. Got a bit of help from my boy there, which is good. Hopefully setting a good example. Alright, catch you on the next one. Thanks. Peace.